In this video, we will be learning about how to find what a piecewise function is equal to at a certain point. In this particular video, I am actually holding the camera, so I apologize for the wobbles. So this is our problem. F of x is equal to 4x if x is less than -1. F of x is equal to x minus 2 if -1 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 4. And f of x is equal to x minus 1 all squared if 4 is less than or equal to x. And we will be evaluating this at points -3, 4, 7, and 2. So, let's take a look at these solutions. So I will show you all the solutions, how I'll be working through them one at a time. So, for this first one, f of -3. So the very first thing that we do is we identify where is -3. So -3 in this particular case, is it less than -1? Yes. So -3 will be this first problem, which is 4x. So 4x, and now we need to plug the point in, which is -3. So we do 4 times -3, which is -12. So our final answer is -12. Moving on to the second one, f of 4. First of all, where does the point 4 fall? If we move back up here, this one we see -1 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 4. That means that 4 is not included in that domain. However, if we go one further down, we see that 4 is less than or equal to x. So this is the problem that we will be using, since 4 is less than or equal to, that line underneath, equal to x. So x minus 1 squared is the problem that we will be using. So if we come down here, x minus 1 squared is, we plug in the point, which is 4, so it becomes 4 minus 1 quantity squared. So that is 3 squared, which means that f of 4 is equal to 9. Moving on to our next one, f of 7. Again, we just go through the exact same process. So we see where is 7 in the piecewise function. What function will we plug this into? Come back up. Is 7 less than -1? No. Is 7 between -1 and 4? No. Is 7 greater than 4? Yes. So f of 7 will be following the same equation as last time, x minus 1 quantity squared. So here we have x is 7, 7 minus 1 squared, 6 squared, which is 36. And lastly, you're asked to find the point f of 2, which if we come up here, 2 is not less than -1, 2 is between -1 and 4. So that means we'll be using x minus 2. Our point is 2, so it becomes 2 minus 2, which is 0. So there's the answer to that problem. And again, I apologize about the camera wobbles. This was done slightly differently.